Hello students, welcome back to our channel dear students. Are you struggling to score good marks in physics? Do you dream of scoring a perfect 180 of 180? Then good for you, you are into the right video. In this video, I will share the most effective tips, techniques and strategies to help you improve your physics marks, and also I will give you a short 4-month plan to make sure you are fully prepared for the exam. So watch the video till the end to get all the insights in this video. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the resources like online test series, chapter-wise test series, conceptual explanation of physics, formula sheets, etc. and many more, and the steps to follow and tips to solve questions and most focusing chapters, and our chapter-wise test series program, and our free PDFs of concepts, formula sheets and many more, and our Neet-ug preparation Telegram channel. So these are the topics in which we are going to discuss in this video. So the first thing to keep in mind is, if you want to score 180 of 180 in physics, you need to focus on each and every chapter. So the first question is, what are the resources and where can we find them? As you can see, inside the textbooks are there, inside the exemplars are there, and any online lectures for revising concepts, you can find plenty of them on YouTube. And the next thing is question bank and chapter wise test series papers which we are providing, and we also have main test series program with the perfect schedule and practicing the 15 years of previous year questions and formula sheets and short notes. So these are the resources you have to focus on. And the second question is how to plan your preparation, which is nothing but steps to follow once you find out your resources. Okay, first thing is you have to watch a video lecture, clear your concepts. And the next step, you have to make your own notes and like main points. And the next step is solve the basic problems and then go to the high level. You have to solve at least of 200 to maximum of 300 questions regarding that concept. Okay, and the next step is memorize formulas and graphs, and the next step is to solve previous year questions at least last 15 years. And the next step is to take a chapter wise test, which is must, and also we are providing chapter wise test series at only the price of 149. And the next step is to analyze and learn from the mistakes, and the next step is keep revising key points and formulas regularly. So these are the steps you have to follow. So the next question is how to solve any question, the things to keep in mind while you are solving any question. So you have to start practicing questions only if you are clear with the basic concepts and formulas. And while you are doing any question, keep in mind that you have to understand the question first, so read carefully. And the next thing you have to do is identify the given data like values or graphs or chart, analyze the concept like formulas or concept to use, and substitute the given values in the formula, and be careful with the units like conversion of units, etc. So what is the best timetable to follow if we are starting from now, as of now? So I divided this in the basis of months. As you can see, in the Jan month you do complete 11th syllabus completely and thoroughly, and in Feb do complete the 12th syllabus with thoroughly, and in March you have to do the revision, test practice, short notes, formula sheets, revision based on this 11th and 12th syllabus. And in April, the 1 month, you are going to give your regular gland test and paper analysis of what you have prepared until now. And one of the most thing is what are the chapters we have to focus frequently. They are the mechanics and electrodynamics and thermodynamics, optics and the modern physics. Okay, these are the chapters you have to focus frequently. Everyone knows this, practice is key, and more practice, more marks in physics. So be perfect with the concepts and stay confident. So this is the poster of our chapter wise test series in which we are doing for the all subjects physics, chemistry and biology. And you can see here we are focusing mainly on NCERT line to line questions, which covers the basic conceptual questions of physics, and previous questions are included, and statement based questions are included based on latest NTA syllabus and NEET level based only. So you can see we are giving this offer just for 149 for complete 11th and 12th chapter wise test series. If you are interested, the links are provided in the description. Just go and have a visit. We are also planning to upload videos of important physics concepts, which is nothing but 1 minute concept explanation of main important concepts only. So stay updated and do subscribe to our channel. This is our Telegram channel for NEET preparation, and 275 students are already there. So we are providing PDFs related to all the subjects. For such free PDFs, join our Telegram and use it thoroughly. The links are provided in the description. Have a visit. So this is all about today's video. If you think our videos are worth, then do like the video and subscribe to our channel and share to the needed students. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.